Hello. I want to create a folder called Test Dummies. I want to create a blueprint actor called Attack Dummy and one called Defense Dummy. Attack Dummy is going to be very simple. Prevent any damage. I'm going to print string. It's in string. I'm going to string append. That was append string damage from player. I want it to be red. I want it to appear for 30 seconds. I want it to have a cube, or let's do a cube. Attack dummy mesh. Let's kind of scale it up a little bit. Let's go attack, bring it down. Let's see if it has. Let me see. Let's check. So it's blocking. Generate hit events. Let's make this. Let's go to custom. Ignore block visibility. $15 damage from player. This is hitting this a lot. And it ignores everything. All it does is block visibility. If you want this to be a solid panel, you can block pawn. Let's go to player character and let's fix up this attack. Let's do once. We only want to attack once per swing, right? Connect that. Let's grab this reset. We know we need a reset. And it's going to be a delay. I want to make this maybe 1 second for a placeholder. And I want to right click this, promote this to a variable, and call this attack delay. And I want it to be 0.46. I'm going to go over here and check this. I want to hold it. So that we're hitting more than our animation is letting us, should be. So I want to go to the, I just want to find the animation we're using for swinging. Here it is. See how long it is? It's 1 second. So I want this attack to line up with that. So I want it to be 1 second. Alright, cool. That was getting the, so this delay links back the reset. On the attack, we made an attack dummy, and we can confirm that we are doing damage using the event any damage event. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.